So now continuing on, it's time to look at putting our label around the centre of our bottle. And again, as I said earlier on, it was really important to make sure we had nice straight edges. Just makes that a wee bit easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out the smallest bit. I'm going to come over to my left, my model tree, and expand the origin file. And from up here, we've got all these planes that we can select between. So I want a plane that cuts my bottle right down the middle. So I've got two options in this case. I've got my YZ plane, and then I've got my XY plane. This may not be the case depending on the very first work plane you picked. So what I need to do first of all is I need to turn the right click and choose the visibility option. That way it becomes orange and I can see it. My next step is just to select the plane option. Click, hold and drag from the outside edge that we can actually see it cutting the bottle here. We want to be offset from the bottle completely and then tick it. I'm then just going to go back over the very original plane and right click and turn its visibility back off, just to make this a wee bit clearer. I'm then going to start a new drawing on this surface. Now the reason we're doing this is because this is a curved object, we can't do a flat drawing on a curved object. We need a flat work plane to draw on top of, so that's why I've done this. So now I'm going to start my 2D sketch as you saw, clicking the outside of this work plane, and we're taken back into sketch mode. Now again, with this task you'll be doing with your teacher, you'll be designing your own label. In this case I've just again went and found one quickly off the internet, so I'm going to insert my image, find my cola label. So you can see it's really small. Press escape. Now again, with images, depending on which corner you click, it will scale the image up. But again, depending on the quality, it might not be the greatest. Your one will always be a lot better because you've taken the time to work to a high caliber and high quality. So I want something roughly the size of that width, that is pretty much perfect. Put it roughly where I want it to go. Then going to use my view cube. Let's have a look from my isometric view at the top here. That lines up good, so then to finish that off I'm going to click Finish Sketch, take me back to my 3D modelling mode, choose my decal tool. It asks me to click my image first, that would be my label. I want to wrap it around the full bottle though, so I'm going to choose this option of Wrap to Face, and then I'm going to click on my bottle. Now be careful because if you've hollowed it, you can have the option of choosing the inside of your bottle and the outside as you can see here. So make sure and choose your outside, press OK, and your label should now be wrapped the full way around your bottle, giving you that view of your cola bottle. One more video and that's then a rendering and applying lighting.